Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we restore this picture. A few days ago my father dug out that picture portraying a few relatives of him dating back to 1944, so it's pretty old, right? The problem is that it has been neglected for probably the past 40 years or so, and eventually some humidity, some water found its way through between the glass and the photograph itself, resulting in water damage. Part of the image are stuck to the glass, and it's probably impossible to remove. I have to admit, my Google Fu is not that great. I tried finding solutions to, separate the glass from the picture, but it was pretty obvious that none will work. In fact, in the center, in the most damaged area, there is still a little bit of mold. So yeah, we tried being really delicate and pulling the picture from the glass, but it only made things worse. And you can clearly see where the paper of the picture is coming apart, is tearing up. So we didn't want to risk it too much. At first I tried by scanning the picture, but the bed of the scanner is smaller than the glass to which the picture is attached, and it created some weird artifacts and light leaks and stuff, so it didn't work. And the light just completely changed. Well, we'll make do, as always. So I resorted to something I am more familiar with, taking pictures. I tried a few different settings. I've used a polarized filter to remove the glaring from the glass, and I used a vintage lens to shoot the pictures, one that I have not shown on this channel yet, so it will remain unnamed for now. But yeah, I shot with an old lens, and the results were fine, to be honest. Then it was time for the most challenging part of this project, actually restoring the picture. And a good portion of it was just, minor damages, dust, specks, all that kind of stuff. Tedious but not hard. The two parts where the humidity damaged the picture were obviously the hardest, with the photograph itself being deformed and distorted, and with the tearing and mold and everything destroying the details of the image. I tried my best, and I'm actually really proud of the results because I've done much more than I would expect. I'm not an expert in this. This was my first time trying to restore an old picture like this, and the results were great in my opinion. I managed to restore and recover most of the image, but still that central piece on the small child in the middle where the mold took place, I'm not an artist. I cannot draw, I cannot restore a part that is completely destroyed. But overall, the result was great in my opinion. And that would basically be it. I managed to restore more than 90% of the image, and again, I'm proud of the result, I'm happy with the result. But I wanted to try and do something more, something that always intrigued me: colorizing. And let me tell you straight away, colorizing is an art on itself, and I'm not an artist. So yeah, I tried colorizing, but it didn't work. It is pretty damn hard, for me at least, but it doesn't mean I will give up. I will keep trying, and maybe one day I will show you the colorized version of this picture. But again, it's an experiment. It's more than what I was asked to do. The picture now is fine, it's good enough to be printed again, and it will be delivered to the few remaining alive people in this picture. And that's the story. That's today's story. So basically, that's it. The moral of this video: try something new, experiment. I never restored an old picture before, but the results were great. Just took a little bit of patience and a little bit of trying. As always, that's all, and I will see you in the next one.